In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks, or perhaps you've recently started dealing with international transactions, this tutorial will guide you through the steps needed to set or adjust your home currency. By the end, you should have a clear understanding of how to navigate through QuickBooks settings to manage currency options with ease. First, make sure you are logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is make your way to the gear icon. You'll find this icon conveniently located at the top right corner of your screen. This gear icon is essentially your gateway to various settings options, allowing you to tailor QuickBooks Online to suit your needs. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see several menu options pop up. From these, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This is the section where you can handle most of your business's foundational details, ranging from company information to advanced settings. Within the Account and Settings section, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you will see a variety of tabs. What you want to do is find the one labeled Advanced. This tab is where a lot of the deeper, more intricate settings reside. Clicking on this tab will bring up a new set of options related to your account's advanced features. In this advanced settings area, simply scroll down until you reach the currency section. This part contains the information pertinent to your home currency and associated settings. QuickBooks Online allows you to manage your currency preferences efficiently, which is particularly beneficial if your business is expanding internationally or deals regularly with foreign clients. Here, in this currency section, you have the option to change the home currency. Please note that selecting your home currency is a crucial decision, as it reflects your business's primary trading currency, which is used for reports and default values. Once you make your selection, QuickBooks Online will update the system accordingly. It is important to be precise here, as changing your home currency after significant data entry can lead to discrepancies in your reports. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated through QuickBooks Online to change the currency settings. While this task is simple, understanding where and how to make these adjustments can save you a lot of time and miscalculations down the road. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you in managing your QuickBooks Online more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to revisit this video or check out other tutorials for more insights. Happy bookkeeping!